Welcome to ChinaDivision. This video will guide you through the inbound request process, notifying the warehouse that your shipment is on its way. Go to the Inventory menu, click on Receiving, and then click Create to start a new inbound forecast. First, select the warehouse and products. Click Inbound Warehouse. We have two warehouses in China, Shenzhen and Yiwu. We recommend choosing the one closer to your supplier to save on domestic shipping costs. You can select products manually or import them in batch. Step 2. The system will generate a product list and barcodes. We recommend downloading and checking these to ensure the SKU and information are correct before proceeding. Step 3. Confirm the packing method. You can choose all products in one box, single product in one box, or one packaging box, multiple products. You can also batch import packing details via the table. If you have special requirements, such as a quality check on arrival, please specify this in the Remark field. Step 4 is crucial. Please download the packing list, waybill, and product barcodes. You must send these documents to your supplier. These documents contain the warehouse's detailed address and contact information, ensuring your shipment is accurately identified and received upon arrival. Finally, fill in the logistics information, including cargo volume, packaging type, and estimated arrival date. Please note that our warehouse operating hours are 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Beijing Time. Please arrange delivery accordingly. You can also select value-added services if needed. If you are not yet sure about the shipping details or arrival time, you can click Save for now and submit later once you have the information. If everything is correct, click Submit. That covers the basic operation for ChinaDivision. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact our online customer support. We wish you success in building a strong brand.